Past simple versus past continuous. Easy explanation. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about the past simple and the past continuous. These two tenses help us talk about the past, but we use them in different ways. Let's make it simple. Past simple. Subject plus verb in the past form. We use the past simple for actions that finished in the past. A sequence of past events, one after another. Examples: I woke up early. She visited her grandmother last weekend. They watched a movie and then went to bed. Time expressions: yesterday, last week, 2 days ago, in 2010. Past continuous. Subject plus was or were plus verb with ing. We use the past continuous for a long action in the past. A background action, when another action happened. Examples: I was reading a book at 8 p.m. She was cooking while I was watching TV. They were playing football when it started to rain. Time expressions: while, when, at that moment, all day. Past simple versus past continuous. Use past continuous for the long action and past simple for the short action that interrupts it. Examples: I was walking in the park when I saw a dog. She was sleeping when the phone rang. They were watching TV when the power went out. Tip: when you see when, the verb after it is usually in past simple. When you see while, the verb after it is usually in past continuous. Now you know how to use the past simple and past continuous. Try making your own sentences in the comments. See you next time.